Buenos dias. So I did not realize when I made this video that that was the last flight of that airplane. It's still airworthy, it's still flying, but that was the last time that that airplane was going to be used for flight training or for rental. It's only fitting that on its last flight I got to fly it, because it was absolutely my favorite airplane to fly. I flew it through all my flight training. I got my private pilot's license in it, and I love flying that airplane. The good thing is now I get to fly a newer, better equipped 172 when I do rent one. It said that that airplane was no longer going to be available to rent, but the silver lining is on its last flight, not only did I get to fly it last, I also got to fly with my cousin, who I've been trying to fly with a couple times. We've tried to get together when I was on the East Coast and when he was over here before to go fly, and it just didn't work out, and it finally worked out. So I'm so happy, I'm so blessed that I got to fly with my cousin, who's a lot more experienced than I am as a pilot, and we got to fly the last time in my favorite airplane. And he even said the airplane flies great. You know, he really liked how stable it was. You can see in the video, keep watching the video, there's a few times where you trim the airplane and it's so smooth and stable. I mean, you can literally fly it hands off without autopilot. It's such a good airplane. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So special thanks to Northwest Wings for letting me rent this airplane and use it for my flight training. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. So I know I haven't made a video in a long time, but we're gonna go fly today with my multi-engine rated commercial captain cousin, Joey Quiles.
What can I say?
So it's hot as hell, so I don't want to talk. We're just gonna go fly in my favorite airplane.